Welcome, Duncan Lahke with Remax Time. We are at Legacy Ridge by Fischer Homes. We are at the new, it's a brand new floor plan for them. It's the Mitchell floor plan. It's between 2,800 and 3,300 square feet, depending upon the elevation that you get. Let's go on and take a look. We have, as you come in to your right, immediately a nice big office space with wainscoting, large windows, in-ceiling LED lights, nice and bright. And then as we come through, we have our main floor living area, which is, I know the term's heavily used, but an open concept floor plan. And as you can see, we've got a large kitchen island here, great for entertaining. You've got a gas in-counter range with microwave. Off to the side of the kitchen, we have a flex room, which could be used right now. They have it set up as kind of either an office space or a family room type area. I would assume in this case, they have an office in the front. This would be more likely a family room type space. You could, however, change the flooring and the windows if you like and make it a formal dining room. A very large morning room here right off the kitchen, overlooking a beautiful backyard and large wall of windows. Off of the morning room, we have a doorway straight out to an elevated deck. Nice private backyard, as you can see, with the elevated deck. And you do have, and we'll get to this, you have a walkout below for the lower level, which is an unfinished lower level at this point. But you do have a walkout below this, which is very nice for kids wanting to get out in the yard. If you wanted to put a bedroom in the basement, that type of thing makes it very versatile. All right. So back to the kitchen, and one more area I would like to point out. We do have a mudroom that has a half bath at the end of it, which also adjoins the garage, the entrance from the garage, and you also have a large pantry here. Two-story living room with a wall of windows, and as you can see, a gas fireplace with a very nice tile surround. And again, the open concept with this large open feel makes the house feel even larger than it is. And you've got the open stairwell. You've got all 4 bedrooms located on the second floor. You've got a double vanity bathroom in the hallway, along with a full bath on one of the secondary bedrooms. And obviously you have the primary bedroom with its double vanity sink with oversized shower. Thanks again for your time. I hope you found this useful. This is the Mitchell floor plan, brand new floor plan by Fischer Homes in Legacy Ridge, located in Lakota Schools, very close to Union Center Boulevard, where you've got IKEA, lots of restaurants, lots of shopping. You've got the movie theaters nearby, right across. You've got Topgolf. Very close, there are many parks, lots of golf courses in the area, great for family activities. There's a bike trail as well. You are within a half an hour of downtown Cincinnati as well to go see our Bengals or the Reds if you choose to do that. Thank you for your time. Hope you found this useful, and I would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Should you decide you wanted to take a closer look at this house or any other house for that matter, just let me know. Happy to help you any way I can. Fischer Homes, located nicely in the, nicely, it makes it feel very bright and very, very, let's go take a look at those.
Oh my God, that's me?